وبيننا معاد.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to the Hijabeaze world. I hope you guys are I hope you guys are fine, because I was looking at myself and I was thinking that this is a beautiful hijab. I really like it. Actually, I have worn it for the first time, but it's looking so beautiful. So if you want, this is hoodie drapes, and hoodie drapes are your favorite, my favorite too. So if you want to know how I created this look, it's very super easy, simple, very simple. But I'm going to tell you how I have worn this. So stay tuned. So this is how it is, and it's very simple. I have done this tutorial before, but I thought this is a different design. It's a zigzag, it's Blite ZigZag Hoodie Drapes. So I thought I'll just do the tutorial for this. I hope you like it. If you like it, order it now. You can contact us on 0300 2200 003. 0000 meaning Tetra 03. You can also order this online, inshallah. It will be available on our website. So have a great day, keep smiling, and wear hijabeaze with style and smile on your faces. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.